Put metal cover into mold.
Put the picture on the metal cover, and then put the plastic film.
Rotate mold A so that mold A is directly below mold C. Need to rotate the mold to the end. Press the handle, and when you hear a sound, you can raise the handle. Make sure that the support pin is against the round plate and cannot let the support pin pass through the hole on the side. At this point, you can find that the metal cover is already inside the mold above. Put the button back cover into mold. Don't put the button back cover upside down. Rotate mold B so that mold B is directly below mold C,
And need to rotate the mold to the end.
Press the handle to the end.
Make sure that the support pin passed through the holes in the round plate.
After the production is completed, the button is taken out of the mold.